I'm going to be doing a slime collection for you guys, so let's get to it. So here we have some of my soda slime. It's like really, really jiggly. Not really pokey. See, like, it's like really, really jiggly, see? But I mean, it smells good. It smells like soda. It smells like Coca-Cola with like something mixed. But bish, will I play with this on a daily basis? It looks brown, but it's actually purple. But bish, would I actually play with this on a daily freaking basis? Which slime I play with on a daily basis is this one. But we're not to that one yet. So. Oh, by the way, this is the slime container that I store all my slimes in with their containers. This was the original container for this one. But yeah. Oh wait, I'm not putting it in this container. My bad. And look, I labeled it soda slime, so I always know that this is my soda slime. Next slime that we have is my Floam slime. That is not stretchy because I mixed some Model Magic in there. And now it's like all stiff. But this is the container that it is in right now. These were the two containers that it was in because it was yellow and green, but then I just decided to mix them. So, but yeah. So now it's time for ASMR. Alright, now that we're done with the ASMR, I think I need to add some lotion to this bitch. Because, like, guys, do you see how stiff this is? It's literally so stiff. Okay, I use Victoria's Secret lotion. I use Live Fresh lotion, and it's literally the best cream lotion that there is. I use it after I shave and for slime. Oh my god, if my mom's gonna watch this, she's gonna kill me. Bitch, this is not coming out. Oh, there you go. Alright. See, there's some lotion on there. Now it's time to mix. Oh my god, I'm mixing it. Guys, this feels so weird. You guys can see, literally clearly see the Model Magic in there. This feels so weird. Anyways, let's just talk while I mix this in. So, I recently I'll tell you about my daily life. So, school's done. So that's good. What else is there? Yes, I am in my room right now. This is my art wall. And I'm literally in my bed right now doing this. But guys, I probably shouldn't not have added that model magic because now like I can't mix it in. And now it's just taking over the whole slime. So I think I'm just gonna call this one Smoothie Slime. Because I mean, it's just a mixture of 2 slimes. Actually, 3 slimes. It pokes really good. The only problem is it's really stiff. Just cap off my lotion. Quick. Alright, so this was the slime. And it's in this container. It was originally, I already showed you what the original containers looked like. And literally it almost takes up this container. But this is what it looks like inside the container. Alright. Next, this is another one of mine. Well, my friend Sophia gave this to me a long time ago. And I mean, I still have it. It's living strong. But yeah. Guys, it can stretch so far. Look at that. It's like Aaron Thinking Putty. And guess what? I was right. It's Aaron Thinking Putty, guys. Well, it's not really Aaron Thinking Putty, but it's slime, guys. It's not Aaron Thinking Putty, but this is the container that she put it in. So I think it was the original container that it was in. I still have 3 containers left. I might do a giveaway, so comment down below if you'd like any slime containers, because I might do a giveaway of my slime containers, unless if I get more slime, then I'm not going to be giving away anyone, but make sure if you guys want a giveaway of, if you want a giveaway, I will actually maybe be giving away this slime. Because I don't really play with this one, and plus it's ugly. But comment down below if you guys want this slime. To enter the giveaway, what you need to do is you need to like and subscribe. Go follow my TikTok, Twitter, and Snapchat, and yeah, and my Instagram. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that will be it for this video. And then this slime. Here, I'll show you all my slimes. Golden water. Crap. Okay, my camera's falling. Golden water, poison rain, dirty murder. Take your aim. I don't belong to anyone, but he knows my name. By the way, you've been uninvited. But yeah, then we have this container left over, which has nothing in it. This puck container left over, which has nothing in it. Then we have these containers that has nothing in it, and these 3 containers that I might be giving away. All you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and go follow my TikTok. And if you want to enter this giveaway, and all the people that are at school, I will be giving you, if you enter the giveaway and you guys watch my channel, like Emma, and you guys are in my school next year for 4th grade, then I'll be giving you guys this slime if you want slime, or one of these containers, either one. So yeah, shout out to Emma and Marley, and yeah. Also, I might be giving away a phone case too. It's for a iPhone. Where was that phone case? Bish, where's the freaking phone case? Okay. And I'm also going to be giving away this mermaid toy that I grew in water from Easter. If you guys want her, go follow my TikTok. That's just it. And it comes in this little tiny seashell. And again, for all the people that are at school, I'll give it to you next year. So this will be in my giveaway. So, oh yeah, and this can actually open like that, and then the mermaid's in there. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.